Hello, friends from all over the world. I'm Eric from Mietubl. Today I will show you our new revolutionary product M288 cutting and pasting machine. So I will show you how this machine works and you will understand how amazing it is. So let's get started. First you can see this is our material for this machine. This is a UV HD film, and I will show you how to apply. So first we need to remove this part, and second we need to remove this part, and we have to put on the special pad for this film. There is an easy way. You can just do like this, and you can see the film is in right position. And now we can put film here. Downside is a cutting machine, and it will automatically to fit the material in. And come closer here. You can choose for all the size, all the brands you can think of. So today I will show you. This is the iPhone 14 Pro. So let's go into the iPhone section, iPhone 14 Pro, and I will choose one with a case. And now we start cutting. Come here. As you can see now the machine is working. It's cutting the film. And meanwhile I need to clean my mobile phone. Use Mietubl cleaning kit, and it will be easily to clean your screen. And then we open our illumination chamber, and here we can provide for iPhone and for Type-C two slots. And now we put the mobile phone in right here. Now you can see the film is finished cutting. Now it's an important part. We need to remove these two. One is for the sensor, one is for the camera. We need to remove these two parts. Then we take out the outer layer like this. It's easily, and then we can use this. Remember this part when we beginning to put the film. There is two parts. We can use this part as a sticker, and we can easily to remove the top layer. And you can see slightly, and then we can put the film. First we put the right side, and then the left side. And here we can press go to apply the film, and we can clamp, confirm. You can see now the machine is trying to find the right position for the film. After this, and we have to close the illumination chamber, and we choose. I was choosing the UV film. So now we choose this UV film, and we start to illumination, start to apply. So now it's a time to witness the magic. Now the process is finished. Now we open up the illumination chamber. Let's see. So I peel off this top layer, and now we can see, and we have to remove the top layer. There is still one more layer to go. Let's see the magic. You can see how amazing it is from any direction. So this is our Mietubl M288 cutting and casting machine. As you can see, this machine can provide you a perfect screen protector. And if you want to know more information about Mietubl, about M288 cutting and casting machine, please contact with us. I'm Eric. Thank you for watching.